Hello, December 10th today, and you can see what happens with plants in the winter time in Japan. So this is a valley north of Kyoto, and you can see, for example, that mosses are going to the winter pretty well the same like they were in the summertime. So mosses typically do not do anything for the winter, they stay green. Sometimes they slightly change color into yellow, some part of chlorophyll will degrade, but generally mosses will not change. Flowering plants mostly degrade, especially of course herbaceous flowering plants, and many deciduous woody plants will drop their leaves. Ferns will do both ways. So some ferns will stay in the winter time exactly like they are in the summer with green leaves. Some ferns will degrade. So this is an example of fern which is degrade. Another one is Asmuda, which started to degrade I think in October, and now it's either completely yellow or almost not visible. This is group of bracken and bracken relatives, Hypolepis. So both bracken, pteridium, and Hypolepis are degrading for the winter, and you can see big brown patches of degrading fern. This, by the way, is corresponding well with an idea that all these things are parts of one giant leaf. So leaf is still alive, it's underground. Only external parts of this leaf will degrade for the winter, and in the springtime, these new parts will appear out of the ground. Very interesting also to see how it is degrading. So Hypolepis looks like there is a signal of degradation, which comes out of the ground. So some leaves are already brown completely, but some leaves are brown only in the base, and towards the apex they still green. So looks like there is some hormonal signal which goes from the ground to the top, and it will finally reach the youngest part of the leaf, because fern leaf is growing by apex, will reach that apex, and then leaves will fully degrade for the winter time. So again, it is December 10, and how Hypolepis is preparing for the winter. Thank you.